Hello, this is Many Music. The music you're about to enjoy is Attack of Titan. You get the best and easiest sheet music with the hand position on the keyboard in this video. Enjoy. So let's see the sheet music. There are 2 pages of sheet music. And this is the first page. The original music has many frets, but I made it simple, so you have only 1 fret. And in the music, these 2 lines are repeated 4 times. This is the second page. You get the sheet music from our website, but feel free to take a screenshot. So let's see the hand position. Let's listen the whole music.